In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange USD to EUR in Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Once you're logged in, head to the homepage where you'll see your available balances. From there, open your USD balance. This is the balance you'll be converting from, so make sure you're in the correct currency before moving on. Inside the USD balance, click Convert. This opens the currency conversion tool, where you can choose the currencies you want to exchange. In the From field, select USD, and in the To field, select EUR. This tells Wise that you want to convert US dollars into euros. Next, enter the amount of USD you want to exchange. As soon as you type in the amount, Wise will automatically calculate the conversion for you. At this stage, take a moment to carefully review the exchange rate displayed by Wise. This rate shows how much your dollars are worth in euros at that moment, and it can change over time, so it's always a good idea to look at it before confirming. You'll also want to review the conversion fee. Wise usually shows this clearly, so you can see exactly what you're being charged for the exchange. After that, check the amount of EUR you will receive. This is important because it helps you confirm the final amount that will arrive in your euro balance after the fee is applied. If everything looks right, click Continue. You'll then be taken to a conversion summary page. This is your final review screen, so go through the details carefully. Verify the USD amount, the EUR amount, the exchange rate, and the fee. This quick double check can help prevent mistakes, especially if you're converting a larger amount. Once you've confirmed all the information, click Convert. Wise will then begin processing the conversion. In most cases, this is quick, but the exact timing can vary slightly, so just wait for Wise to complete the exchange. After the conversion has been processed, return to your balances page. From there, open your EUR balance and verify that the converted EUR funds have been added. This final check confirms that the exchange was completed successfully and that the money is now available in euros. And that's it. You've successfully exchanged USD to EUR in Wise. Thanks for watching.